Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Slots and Cocktails. Yes, it's still just good old Frank here at the casino because Maria couldn't get the day off work. So I got another old fashioned. Don't worry, I'll call an Uber. But let's see what we are going to play right now. Once I get the camera. There it is. It's been a while since I played Ultimate Firelink Explosion with a 200. This one has a $226,000. What is that, the grand or something? Yeah, because we got the mega at 16,000. That major at 797 looks pretty good. We'll take the minor all day long. And when have you seen a mini for 50 bucks? That is at 5 cent dinar. All right, we got 100 bucks in there. I think we're going to start off with, I guess this one. See how we do here. Volume. We got to turn our volume all the way up. There we go. All right. Let's get that bonus. Come on. Come on. Ultimate Firelink. Love this game. Let's get some good stuff here. Come on. 3 short, let's go. There we go, there we go. 4, monkey. Who threw that? A couple of short there, come on. Come on, let's get that bonus. There we go, there we go. Oh man, 1 short. Because I don't think he threw any. Let's go, come on. Your buddy's up there through. Come on. Come on, Ultimate Firelink. Let's go. Get that bonus. Everyone, hopefully everybody's having a good time. We sure are. Cheers to all of you out there watching. There we go. Come on. I know it might be, it's just not the same Slots and Cocktails without Maria here, but she had to work and we ran out of videos and stuff, and well, duty calls, you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. Come on. There we go. Oh, more. No, that didn't do it. Missed it by 1. Come on, monkeys, throw some fireballs down here for us. Let's get a bonus. No one threw anything down. The machine gave us 2, but monkeys gave us 0. Come on. Alright. This is Ultimate Firelink Explosion. Alright, a little something back. There we go. Oh, 1 more person. I'm gonna get it. Oh, man. Ultimate Firelink. Let's get that bonus. Come on, monkeys. You have 2 there. He's got 2 there. That one's got 1. Bring them all down. Come on, monkeys. Bring them all down. Let's get that bonus. 1 more chest. Oh man, come on. Come on. Let's get that bonus. Oh man, that was 2 right there. There we go. Don't hold on to them. Throw them down. There you go. There you go. Throw them down. Oh man, always a couple short. wasn't gonna get any. Come on, Ultimate Firelink. We're in it. $30 already. Come on, let's get a bonus. Or 3 of those treasure chests. There we go. 2 more. Get it down here. Oh man. Ultimate Firelink. Where's that bonus? Okay, let me do this. Let's do a 10-cent denom. Let's switch it up a little bit. That's a little rich, but what is it? 58.30. Alright. Oh, we got it at 10-cent denom, ladies and gentlemen. Heck yeah. There we go. Let's go. Let's get some big money. Come on. Alright. Let's go. 10-cent denom. Let's get it. Drop that major. Heck yeah. Let's go. We need more like that all the time. I'm the center of attention right now. Come on. There we go. Let's get that mini for 100. It's way up there. Let's get it. That mini, ladies and gentlemen, $100. I'll take that. Let's go. Come on, Ultimate Firelink. Save it right here. Yes. Unlock that throw. All right. Let's get some words to drop. Come on. Come on. We need 2 more to unlock that mini. Let's get it. Unlock it. Oh man, right here. Save it. Save it. Give me that mini. Come on, let's go. Oh man. Alright, let's see what we got. Keep going. There we go. Alright. 1200 times 10 times 7. So what is that? 120 bucks? Ouch. There we go. Coin show. That's what we like to see. Ultimate Firelink bonuses are always so much fun. Alright. And it was a pretty good win. Let's go. Backup spins. Come on, let's do it again. Alright, let me see. I'm not gonna go below. Let's change this up. Maybe 25 cents at 15 credits. What's that? Come on. Come on. Let's do it again. Right here, right here. Oh my gosh, if that would have happened. Come on. One more of those sets. Let's get it. Drop it. Alright, I think I'm going to call it right there, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to walk away with $149. Thank you so much for watching. It was pretty fun. We got a little win out of this, walking away with about 49 bucks profit. I think that's pretty good for Ultimate Firelink. And wanted to get that the mini, but it didn't happen. But hey, I'm here all day because Maria has to work, so I'm not doing anything else. So we'll see you on the next episode. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Goodbye.